This song is Over in the Meadow, and it is based on a counting rhyme that was written in 1870 by Olive Wadsworth. And I like doing this because it's a good counting song, but also because there are many, many different picture book versions of Over in the Meadow. And when I teach preschool, I use those books and this song together as a music kind of reinforcement tool. So not only is there many versions of Over in the Meadow, there are also books called Over in the Ocean, Over in a River, Going Around the Sun, which is set to the same tune. There's also Over in the Grassland, in the Arctic, in a forest, in the grasslands, in the jungle, and in Australia. So you learn this song and you got a lot of books to go with it. And can build kind of a whole habitat-themed curriculum around this song. Okay, let's do a quick review of all those chords. So the first one is just the C, third finger, third fret of that bottom string. We're gonna need a G, so that's that second finger, second fret of that A string. First finger, second fret of the C, and the third finger is the third fret of the G, of the E. So the note is G. So build our G like that. 1, 2. We also have a G7. So first finger on the first fret of E, second and third fingers on the second frets of C and A. Gotta get that there. That's our G7. For the F, we're going to keep that first finger on that F note, so the first fret of the E string, and put the second finger up on the second fret of the G. And for A minor, I could just lift that up and have that A minor right there, second fret, top string. Okay. So C, G, G7, F, A minor. And that G7 is optional. Just so you know, it is always optional to have a 7 or not. You can always just drop it if it's easier for you to do the major chord in those cases. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Although the words are different on every verse and in every version, the music will always stay the same. So let's go ahead and work on that slowly to start with. We're going to play the first time through just one strum per measure. If it's a C and there's that slash, the slash just means play that C again. And we're going to play it again, and then we'd switch to our G chord. Okay, you'll notice a couple places where there's brackets, and the brackets just mean we've got a quick change there. So we've been going bum, bum, and we get to that G7C, it's going to go bum, bum. And down below with the FC, it's bum, bum. Okay, so just be ready for those quick switches when we get to them. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother turtle and her little turtle one. Dig, said the mother, I dig, said the one. So they dug all day in the sand, in the sun. Okay, if those quick changes were challenging for you, let's just practice them again and again until you got them. So we're going to go, that first switch is the C to the G7 to the C. So that third finger, you're just going to be sliding it back and forth. So we've got our C, and I pop it here for the G7, slide back. So slide it up, put your first and second finger down, slide it back. Let's try that. C, G7, C, C, G7, C, C, G7, C, C, G7, C. Okay, the other quick change is C, F, C. So again, that third finger is just going to hang out on the C, but we're going to lift it up for the F, back down. So C, F, C, C, F, C. You could even try it with your pinky to see if that works better for you. C, F, C. You'll notice I just switched back to my third, so that's what's working better for me. Okay, once you've mastered those, then we can try doing this tune a little bit faster with more strumming on each measure. Okay, for the strumming pattern here, you could try a down, down, up, down, down, or down, 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 up, down, 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 down. I'm a little random on my strumming, but mostly what I'm aiming for is the down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. But I tend to put in that strum kind of wherever it feels best to fit the music. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the song doing a little bit more of that active strumming through. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother turtle and her little turtle one. Dig, said the mother, I dig, said the one. So they dug all day in the sand, in the sun. Let's try that one more time, just a little bit faster. Over in the meadow,